I am doing my video on subatomic particles and isotopes. The element I used for an example today is lithium. So this is a lithium atom, and the nucleus, which is this part right here, the nucleus contains three different types of subatomic particles. It contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. So protons have a positive charge, and they are the atomic number of the atom. And then there's neutrons, which have no charge, they're just neutral, and they help stabilize the atom. And then there's electrons, which have a negative charge, and they help create chemical bonds. There is a way to find neutrons. It is by taking the mass number and subtracting it by the atomic number. So for lithium's case, it would be 4, because you would round the 6.94 up to 7. So it'd be 7 minus 3, and that'd be 4. So that means there's 4 neutrons in lithium, which here there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's also isotopes, which is just the same element that has the same amount of protons, but there's a different amount of neutrons. So this can cause many physical properties of the atom to change. So like the size and the density will increase, and the half-life of the atom will increase. And what half-life is when the atom dies. So an example Miss Gibson gave me was if you buried a cow leg or a hamburger, which would decompose first? And the obvious answer is the hamburger, because it's smaller. And that's the same case for these. The smaller one decomposes faster than the bigger ones. So there's a way to find average atomic mass of these cells, or atoms, not cells. And that is by taking the percentage of abundance and then putting it into decimal form and times it by the mass number. So this would be, since it's 7.59%, it'd be 0.0759 times 6, and then you would add that to the other one, lithium 7, which would be 0.9241 times 7, and the average atomic mass of these two would be 6.924 ATM. And yeah, that's my little training video.